How to appeal Facebook account ban or suspension. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Facebook customer service. Head over to the very first site, Help Center. It will land you on this page. In here, you have to move into Login, Recovery, and Security. And now, click on My account is suspended or disabled. Once you've landed on this page, you have to scroll down and then click on No over here, and then tap on Other. Tap on Select. Now in this section, you have to enter the issue that you have been facing on your Facebook account. Once you have entered, tap on Submit. Now within 24 hours, they will analyze your appeal and then your account will be recovered and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.